I played this game like just a minute ago or something, and I'm a monkey. Apparently, I'm a monkey. I look a lot like a frog, but don't worry, guys, I'm not a frog. Oh, jeez, look how he's disconnecting already. Okay, guys, I joined back, and oh, Jesus. Oh yeah, guys, I've gone back. So that's good. Okay, well, I want to try to get to the next level. Level 10. Like, okay, level 10 weapons. Why did that happen? Wee. 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 Ah! Oh my god. Wee. Wee. Okay. Ah. Why is it level 10 recommended? I'm recommended. Why am I falling? It's level 14. Go. Oh my god. This happens. I'm gonna do it again. Wee. 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 What? Wait, why aren't I dying? Guys, why aren't I dying? Kill me already. Kill me. Oh, Jesus, come on. Is this game really gonna make me rage bait? Ooh, rewards. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I can read that. Oh my god, I'm speeding up fast. There. Let's go on the treadmill, I guess. We still have that 2x walk speed. Oh yeah, I do. Let's go. Whee! Oh god. Oh my god. Go! 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 Oh my god! Why doesn't that work? Oh, I'm so trash at this game. Why am I so trash? Wee! 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 You can do this! Fight it! Fight! Why don't I go this way? Okay. Yeah. Why am I so bad at this game? I can't even get to level, what do you call it? I don't even know what you call it, but I can't even get through that level. I can't get through stage 2. How do these other people do it? Why does that keep happening? Oh my god. We're 4 minutes into the video already and I haven't even made it to stage 2 yet. Like I haven't even made it to stage 3, oh my god. No. Oh, come on. I'm like over 1,000 speed and I still can't make it through stage 2. Come on. Oh, I can do this, Oh, thank god. Yeah, I'm getting 5 wins. I don't even care if I did not make it. Hey, what did I need for 9 wins? I need something for 9 wins or something. I don't know. God, how am I scared at stage 1? Okay, I lost the tiger trail, yay! Now, fucker! Wait, okay. Okay, and then you have state. Oh, jeez. What depressing. My TV remote. Oh, Jesus, come on, guys. I'm already gonna. Oh, God. This is disconnection. How did I know that? I don't know. Absolutely don't know. I actually, this happens to me like multiple times a day, like 15 or 50 times. I don't know what's wrong with. I don't even know why this happens. You have to like make that jump. I don't, because I didn't make that one. Whee. No, I always go. Oh my God! I always go that way because normally I'm more used to the right side. Every time I go this way, it kind of feels off. Oh God! Oh my God, that was hard. Those things I could get past. Well, level 21, so I'd say I could get through that. Oh Jesus. Hey, this is actually a bit hard. There. Oh my God, guys, I actually made that. Jesus, how much do I need? Oh God, I didn't make it. I need 100 wins. 100 is extremely hard. God. Thank God I'm as fast as some people. Try to make it. No. Hey, at least I gave it a try that. So. Whee. A quantum. Where's that? Where's the quantum treadmill? That can't be it right there. Where's the quantum thing? No! Yeah, guys, I'm ending. This video is very short because I'm never really good at anything. Oh my God! Oh my God! No! Why can't I get? Why can't you do this 2 at a time? It doesn't make sense. Of course, you can't jump back. Is it not? Is it not? Is that how it works for a monkey? Cause whoever made. Oh, definitely. Oh my God! Guys, I figured out a key. Oh my God! This is an absolute glitch. I like this game now. I really like it, guys. There is no. Okay, this is no Robux spending, guys. This is actually 2x speed rebirths. I am so close to 4E already. Oh, don't start it now. Go on, Jesus. Yeah, guys, if you like today's video, then make sure to subscribe.